Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup Saaru. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of tor dal, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a selection of aromatic spices. Make sure to chop your tomatoes and any other vegetables into small, manageable pieces. Also, have your tamarind extract and a small piece of jaggery ready for later steps. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, let's focus on the dal base. Take 1/4 cup of tor dal and cook it until it becomes incredibly soft. You can use a pressure cooker for about 3 whistles or a pot until it's easily mashable. Once cooked, mash the dal thoroughly to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. This mashed dal forms the essential foundation for your flavorful Saaru, so ensure it's well prepared. Now it's time to infuse some amazing flavors through tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter vigorously. Then, add a few curry leaves, some crushed garlic cloves, and 1 or 2 slit green chilies. Sauté these aromatics until they become fragrant, releasing their wonderful essence into the oil. Finally, let's bring everything together for the perfect Saaru. Combine your mashed dal with the tamarind extract, jaggery, and your preferred Saaru powder. Add about 2 cups of water to achieve your desired consistency and bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious Saaru hot with rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.